Hello, guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, almost weekend, June the 4th, 2021. I have already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku, in this additional with extra Sudokus or puzzles. And the second Sudoku I will solve will be a 4 stars Sudoku. And this will be a number. Let me see which number that will be. Number 2896. 2896. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've already counted. This one has 24. Yes, 24 printed digits. All right. Correct me if I'm wrong. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the one? I see here 4 ones. So let's get started with the one. One in the one in this column. One in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the one should be there. One in this row, one in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only two places for the one should be here or there. We see there one, no one there, one should be there, one in the first column, one in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the one should be there. Then I cannot continue with the one. How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? Four. Yes, in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be in one of those 3 boxes. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in one of those 3 boxes in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. All right. And then let me see. 4. Two. I need pairs. 9. Yeah. 5. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. We have a 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 3, 7, and the 8 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark it. I will mark those numbers 3, 8, and the 7 here. So we have an 8 in one of those 3 boxes. In the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Oh, alright. Then we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in that row. So the row between the middle. It was a column, yes. 8 in this column, 8 in the first column, so the column between. Yes, not the row, but the column. Column between. We have an 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And then 1, 3 is missing. 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 3 is missing, 7 is missing, and 4 is missing in this big square. Look, we have a 7 and a 3 here in this row. So no 7 and a 3 in this box. The 7 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Alright, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Okay. So we have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a 4 in the middle row. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. So 1 box left in this column for the 4 should be here. I've marked those 3 boxes with the 4. But now I have a 4 here. Alright, but I cannot continue with the 4 now, because I need a 4 there also. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 9 is missing. Okay. 2 boxes left in the middle row for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. The other 2 boxes in this big square are the numbers 3 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and a 3. 6, 4. Okay. Then, let me see. How about 3, 7, 2? The 2 in this column. The 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left. Here we have 387, 387. The other 2 numbers are the 9 and the 9 and the 6, I believe. Yeah, 9 and the 6 are missing. Yeah, 3, 8 and a 7. Those 2 should be 9 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. 6, 6. Okay. Well, 3 missing numbers. No. Not 3 missing numbers. 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Yeah. Let me see. Which number can I pick? I have here 7 and a 3. 7, 3 and a 5. Okay. 3, 8 and 7. I need to do something with the 6. 5. Yeah. 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. Alright, 7 and 3, 7 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 boxes left in this column. Also, no, 3 and the 2 are missing. 3 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. How about those 2 missing numbers in this big square? The 9 and the 8 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. So now, 7, 3, 7, 3, 3, no, 3, 7, and 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers, 3, 7, and 8. We see here 7 and we see here an 8 in this row, so no 8 and a 7 in this box. The 8 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 8 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 7, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. Okay. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the row above, so in that row. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, no, I cannot continue. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Look, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 8 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright, now we have 8 there. So this box is going to be 8 and more. That box will be an 8, and this box will be a 7. 2 boxes left in the middle column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the number 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 in the second row should be here. 8 in the third row. Wait. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the number 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We have a 7 there, no 7. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. 7 and 3 also. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final two numbers, also 7 and 3. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. 15 or 16. I don't know. Thank you again for watching. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the binary puzzle and the tectonic puzzle. See you later. Bye bye for now.